Good morning.
What's good about it?
I know.
Something wrong with you. You must be on uppers or something.
I should have your job.
Morning. Morning, YouTubers.
No, I try to stay positive.
Well, what am I doing? Here's what I'm doing.
Yeah.
Our buddy with his trailer had a fender bender.
He did, didn't he?
Yeah.
Bad news too.
And then he brought in a gamma ray diffuser that had to be repaired.
What?
A gamma ray diffuser. Look.
Oh, gosh. What's going on with
See,
that?
it must be the evil in me. Because I wanted to put on my welding helmet and Kathy wouldn't let me do it. And I wanted to go down by the road with my welding gloves on and point that at the cars as they're going by. Because technically that's not illegal.
No, I hadn't heard tell of it.
Neighbors. Anyway.
Or big old rats.
Big old rats, yeah. They got them in the city.
Yeah, they
In
do.
the food court.
Exactly.
They're running around as big as St. Bernards.
That's why there's none here. They're in the city. St. Bernards.
Yeah. The only rats you see around are two-legged ones. Same with skunks. Only skunks on the island is two-legged ones.
Lots
Yeah,
of
so
them.
that's my gamma ray diffuser.
Yeah, there you go.
So I had to
yeah,
make
it's not
up-
illegal.
I had to make up a rig to hold it. So that's my reinvention.
Yeah, that's a good mod.
So then, folks, it's an antenna. Don't ask me what a gamma ray diffuser is because I have no idea for such a thing. But I said I'd better point that out.
Oh yeah, because that's being Googled now.
Now there's going to be 20 people saying, well, I got a gamma ray diffuser. I buy some by the brace of them, two of them at a
It's
time.
true, maybe it does exist.
Right? Yeah, could be, right? Yeah, one guy probably said, I buy them by the dozen. Mm-hmm. Yeah, anyway, so we got that to do, and we got some other stuff there I have to machine. We got some milling to do. We haven't done any milling in a long time.
Right, we've got milling to do.
So it's kind of coming all at me one time. Steel showed up, and it's still not enough. They never had some in stock.
That's right.
So let's go down and have a look at the building.
Where are we going now? I can't
Come
keep
on.
up with you.
Come on. Stop grumbling. You should have my friggin' job. I'm gonna leave my welding hat on so I don't get wet.
Hey, here's a straw. Suck it up.
Yeah. Anyway. The building come to a screeching. Where are you going to? Oh. The
I'm here.
Building come to a screeching halt because our guys aren't here today. But they have one side sheeted up.
That's right.
We had a lot of rain last night. They came here and they went to set up the scaffolding and then it poured rain.
Yeah, it was torrential rain.
So they got stuff done up the front. Don't trip with the camera because Medicare don't cover the camera.
Okay, I'll be careful.
Medicare should cover the camera, you know, if it's in a person's hand.
Yes.
We should see our MHA about that and see if they can work that into the medical budget.
Yeah, good luck with that. They can't even look after you.
I know.
The people, the humans,
Yeah, I know.
much less property.
Yeah, I guess that's kind of asking for a bit too much.
Yeah, it is.
So yeah, so it's as you can see, the eaves are done.
Yes. Very nice.
Now we got it nice and cleaned up over there. I got a little bit of water I got to straighten out there later on today.
Yeah, that's all.
But that's work in progress. Seems like every time I look at that, work comes up the yard. So I don't get paid for doing that. I get paid for doing that.
That's right. So we go where the money is.
Yeah, that's right. So let's get back. But yeah. So,
Yeah, so there you go. You can see up there.
And I guess we got to build a fuel step for our buddy when he comes to fuel for power.
Oh, yes, that's right. Otherwise, he'd need stilts.
Yeah, so I'll put a step down there. That way you can get up and shove the nozzle in.
Mm-hmm.
Right? Yeah.
That's right.
Old blue's working again. He's doing his job, pulling trailers.
Oh yeah.
He's more of a tug now than he's a truck.
He's a tug truck?
He's a tug truck.
Yeah.
So, the biggest part of this job was getting the old stuff off.
That's right.
Because back a few months ago, man, they must be big rats.
Oh yeah, they're big rats.
They're
I hope
really
you stay
taking it
over
out of
there.
that garbage box.
Yeah, hope you stay over there.
They're worse than the foghorn over there. Anyway.
Hurry up, wrap it up before they come over.
I forgot what I was going to say.
Yeah, we were talking
Oh,
about
this
the
is
fender.
one we done a couple of months ago. We had to reinforce. It was cracked in a number of places.
That's right. So of course you willed it not to come off.
Well, you know, like it was built like to withstand the war.
That's right.
Now, I'm not saying I lost the war, but I certainly lost that battle. So, anyway.
That was the demons that were in the pothole.
Yeah, really. Yeah, you know what? He wants one of those gremlin bells.
Gremlin bells?
Yeah. You know, demon bells that puts
that's
them on
right,
the
just on the
motorcycle.
motorcycle, yeah.
Because that keeps away, when they ring, it keeps away road demons,
Yeah, he needs one.
right? I'd say he wants a church bell on that by the looks of that fender.
Yeah, that little tiny thing.
That little tiny bell's not going to do it.
What's that going to do with?
Because they work, you know. I had them on the motorcycle, and you know what? I have never seen a road demon jump on the motorcycle since I put them
They
on.
work.
Okay, is dinner time?
It's dinner time.
Let's go do it.